This is section 6, in which we shall deal with the care and maintenance of ladders. As with all utility equipment, ladders can be subjected to neglect. However, a few minutes of attention after each use, coupled with correct storage, can prevent a ladder from becoming a safety hazard. When you finish the work, take time to clean the ladder. Remember that fiberglass ladders used in electrical environments must be kept clean and dry, as we mentioned in an earlier section. Don't leave ladders out in the open, where they may be damaged from prolonged exposure to the weather and sunlight. Store ladders properly, preferably in a well-ventilated and sheltered position. Lean-to ladders should be stored in a horizontal position on brackets or hooks. To prevent the rails from sagging, the spacing of the brackets should not be more than 1.8 meters. Step ladders should be folded up and stored in an upright position. From time to time, check and tighten any screws or other fasteners that may have become loose. Apply a little oil to hinges and spreaders on step ladders. In the case of extension ladders, apply some oil to the moving parts of the locking mechanisms. Any moving part, such as the pin or shaft of a rope pulley, will need some lubrication from time to time. Check the condition of the pulley rope. A worn or damaged rope could break as you operate the fly sections, resulting in a nasty accident. Look after the ladders in your work area, and those in your homes too. Use them safely and wisely, so that you never become one of the thousands of people injured as a result of ignorance and neglect. Join us again in other programs in the Basic Industrial Skills series.